what is it with me and hair care? Nowhere in my, what do you call that? Survey, quiz, do I say I like or enjoy hair care products. Yet all of you, the ones who consistently support me, and thank you, love the hair care. And who gets all the hair care products? Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wago stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what I received in my July Boxycharm, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Okay, so in case anyone has been living under a rock for the past, I don't know, 4 to 5 years. What is Boxycharm? Boxycharm is a beauty subscription. They have 3 tiers, I believe. I will be unboxing the $25 base box, which comes monthly, and you receive 5 full-size products. All right, well, let me stop rambling and dive right in. Oh, and for anyone interested, I will also be doing an add-ons haul. So as always, I don't remember what I selected, what I got for my add-ons. It's all a mystery because, let's face it, I'm old, and 2 weeks is apparently a long amount of time for me to remember anything. I don't know about you, but this box seems smaller than normal, and it's a little squished, but hopefully everything arrived safely. Let's dig in and cross our fingers that we got some good stuff. Okay, so this month's theme is Fantasy, S-E-A, like we're going to the ocean. And I am iteration, a really long number, I believe 44. I'm super excited. I see the first item. It is shaped like skincare. And this looks exciting. What are you? This is from DERMELECT, and it is an Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. That sounds fancy. Let's see what the card has to say. So this successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. Hello. I have all of those things I just read. The formula features 3 tremendously effective forms of retinol actives and in a concentrated micro-encapsulated delivery system. That sounds like very fancy marketing speak. It retails for $39, and I am super excited to give this a try. Okay, next item. All right, so we have a product from MUDMASKY, and I have received couple products from this brand. What are you? This is a vitamin-infused eye serum. If you've been to my channel, you know I suffer from some fine lines and wrinkles, and the eye area is the main concern on my face. So I love a good eye serum. What does this retail for? Shut up. This bad boy here is $63. Oh my god, and it's 30 ml. That is huge for an eye serum. 30 milliliters is like double what a normal larger one is. You usually get like 10 ml, sometimes 15 ml. So 30, I am intrigued. Oh, it is safety sealed. I have so many eye serums going on at the moment, but I'm excited to get this product. All right, what else? What other goodies? Okay, so just 2 products in, Boxycharm, you're doing good. All right, what do we have here? This is BV, Beauty VAULTE. Never heard of this brand, and I still don't know what this is. Oh, it's a matte liquid lipstick and lip liner. Boxycharm is calling this an Erupt lip scent, and it retails for $18.50. Oh, please don't be in that color. I'm on a very nude kick lately. I just can't pull off these shades. They're pretty. Oh, okay. So this is the shade of the lip liner, which on camera is looking more red. In real life, it looks a little more kind of burgundy, purpley. Now look at the... All right, so they don't really match. Well, I don't know. In real life, they don't match as much. So these will be in future giveaway. Just not my shades. All right. Of course, as soon as I say, ooh, good job, Boxy, then I get a wah product. All right. Next item. What are you? OUTRÉ? Outer, however you want to pronounce that. 8-in-1 CBD. 8-in-1 what? Wait, what? This is going to be a card product. This is the 8-in-1 plus CBD leave-in conditioner. What is it with me and hair care? Nowhere in my, what do you call that? Survey, quiz, do I say I like or enjoy hair care products? Yet all of you, the ones who consistently support me, and thank you, love the hair care. And who gets all the hair care products? Oh my God. All right, so giveaway. What does this say? The leave-in conditioner packs 8 powerful benefits into one. Enhance body and manageability, detangles. Shut up. No, $30? How many ounces are you? 4 fluid ounces are 120 milliliters. All right. I knew I cursed this box as soon as I said, ooh, doing good. All right, what is the last item? It seems to be a palette. Ooh, it's the very shushy ILLAMASQUA, which is quite pricey. What are you? Unveiled Artistry palette. Eyeshadow? Yes. Okay. Very lovely packaging. It kind of curves in here. It feels, I don't know if this is, if it's cardboard, it doesn't feel like cardboard. I think it's cardboard covered in something. It feels very lovely. All right. Ooh, interesting. It is boring enough where I can keep this. Okay. And by boring, I mean nudes, neutrals, soft, unadventurous, fair-skinned, friendly tones. All right. So the bottom row is all mattes and the top row are all shimmer shades. And it looks like it's a 12 pan. It does come with a little tiny mirror. And let's see how much this bad boy retails for. This bad boy retails for $50. That's a little pricey. The pans are quite small. I mean, it's lovely, don't get me wrong, but I question the $50 price point. Put it this way. I'm glad I got this in a subscription box because my wallet would not be spending that kind of money on this. All right, let's recap what I got. So I got an eyeshadow palette, an eye serum, a face serum, a leave-in hair conditioner, and a lip duo. This box is okay. I know it's a mix. Okay, so we got 2 skincare, 2 makeup, and hair care. So good-ish. Both of the skincare items I'm excited to have and try. This eyeshadow palette, loving it. I love lip products. These are just not my shades. And I'm not into the hair care. So, I would say this is like a 3.5 out of 5 points, stars, thumbs, whatever. Just, the more products I give away, then the less I like a box. But is it worth $25? You bet, because those skincare products alone, good job. Okay, I'm going to list on the screen the total MSRP value for the box. I bet it's a good one. I almost forgot. I have add-ons. All right, let's check and see what we got in the add-ons. All right, yes, I'm super excited. So this product here, I was so FOMO jealous last month. Just about every unboxing I watched. So they received this product. I sadly did not. So when I saw it was offered as an add-on, and for, I want to say like $6, I was super excited. Ooh, the packaging is really cute. It's kind of metal. And I love the different gradient paints going on there. All right, so it does come with a mirror. And would you look at that? It is just a gradient of glowy, shimmery, like highlighter, and or you could use it as eyeshadow from super light to, that's not very dark, but yes, I'm loving this. Let me know, did you get this in your box? And is it as spectacular on your face as it looks in the pan? All right, what else did I get? I got from Touch and Soul a glossy skin balm. I don't even know what this is. Is this like a primer? I shop. I find stuff. Good price. Good brand. I don't know what it is though. All right. What is this? It's like you're opening it upside down. Oh. Ooh, it smells lovely, soft, kind of very subtle, maybe peach scent. Yes. All right. So, what is this? Is it going to make my skin glowy? I love glowy skin. Yes. Okay. I think it's a primer or a skin. Well, let me stop speculating and get my friend out. Yes. This is a primer. Yes. Okay. I love glowy skin. Excited to give this a try. All right. And you know, it wouldn't be me and shopping add-ons without getting some type of skincare product. So we have from BLISS, and this is a Drench and Quench cream to water hydrator for all skin types. That sounds fascinating to me. Let's see what the formula looks like. Ooh, okay. So I have a cute turquoise blue package, and comes with one of these plasticky doohickey mabobs that ooh, the cream or gel or moisturizer is blue itself. Interesting. Ooh, and it has a, what is that scent? Kind of floral, very soft. All right, let's give this a try. Oh, it's my favorite kind of gel formula. Yes. Okay. Why do I buy such products when I already have so many that I've yet to even try? Because I'm crazy, stupid, shopaholic, makeup, skincare enthusiast. Don't ask me why, but who can turn down a good value? Okay, and the last item I got is this one here from Tarte, and it's the Maracuja Miracle Mist. Ooh, gotta check out this spritzer. Ooh, what a fine mist. All right. That is a really good mister. And it's continuous. I dare to say, and it comes out very soft, like it's not like hairspray that's, ooh, yes. Okay. I'm going to list on the screen the grand total of what I spent versus complete MSRP value. All right, there we go. So back to my outro, because I forgot to do the add-ons. If you haven't done so yet, we are very close to hitting my goal of 500 subscribers. I have a giveaway. All of the instructions will be in the link above. And yeah, Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. You know the routine. YouTube, a little this, a little that. It's around there. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And if you are, click that bell icon so that you can be notified of future videos. All right, let me know. Leave me a comment. What did you think of my box? What did you get in your box? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. Thanks, everyone.